Hey guys, let me show you how to use built-in ruler in your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. But before we start, don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So firstly, let's open settings, where we need to find this display tab. Select it, and now navigate to Edge panels. So we are gonna enable this feature, and then go in panels to add. Let's just click later to add this tools feature, because by default they're only apps. So click edit as well to use location data. You need to enable this function. Now let's go back in the main screen and swipe to the left from the section where these volume up and down buttons are placed, just like this. And now swipe again to move to tools. So as you can see, by default there is compass, but if you click on these three dots, we can change it to ruler. And now you can use it to measure different objects. For example, let's do it again. Swipe to the left and let's measure this box. So 9.5 centimeters. You can also click on centimeters to change it to inches. So that's all. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.